The unknown and unpredictable capture our attention. It's human nature. Today we delve into the mysterious world of the human psyche, exploring 6 dark psychologies that could make anyone think about you nonstop. We'll journey through the realms of unpredictability, emotional dependency, strategic absence, controlled excitement, nonchalance, and personal ambition. But tread lightly, for this knowledge is powerful. Remember, use these for educational purposes only and avoid applying them to someone you genuinely love. Predictability kills interest. Human curiosity is drawn to mysteries and the unknown. Unpredictability is like a game of chess, where your every move holds the potential to change the game. When you fall into a pattern, you become predictable, and with predictability comes a loss of intrigue and excitement. But when you keep someone guessing, you tap into a powerful aspect of human psychology. We are wired to seek rewards, yet we also thrive on uncertainty. This duality creates an emotional roller coaster that can be both thrilling and frustrating. It's just like when you're reading a captivating novel, and you can't wait to turn the page and see what happens next. In the same way, unpredictability keeps the interest alive, making you a compelling character in someone else's story. However, remember, this isn't about playing games with people's emotions. It's about keeping the spark alive in a relationship. Being unpredictable taps into the basics of manipulation, creating a psychological control. Understand her deeply, become her emotional anchor. This is where the art of disappearing suddenly comes into play. It's about being there but choosing your moments. You see, when you're her rock, her safe space, and then you suddenly aren't there, it creates a sense of mystery and urgency. It's like a magic trick. You're there one moment and the next you're gone, off the radar, leaving a void that only you can fill. It's not about playing games, it's about understanding the human mind. We value what we don't have, and we crave what we can't get. So when you disappear, you create a void, a gap that leaves her wondering, yearning, and thinking about you. But timing is everything. You reappear just when she starts missing you, just when she begins to feel your absence. This is how you trigger loss aversion for increased interest and appreciation. Control the emotional climate by not showing excessive excitement. This doesn't mean you should be indifferent or aloof, but rather maintain a balanced demeanor. Like a seasoned poker player, keep your cards close to your chest. This allows you to navigate the emotional landscape with ease and finesse, stimulating intrigue and curiosity. Now let's transition into a vital aspect of this psychological game: avoiding jealousy. Jealousy, in essence, is a signal of weakness and insecurity. It's a neon sign that screams, "I lack confidence and I'm threatened by competition." Instead, we want to exude confidence and security. When other men are around, remain unfazed. Show that you're comfortable in your own skin and believe in your worth. This nonchalant attitude is not about indifference. It's about demonstrating strength and self-assuredness. It taps into a key psychological principle known as reactance, where people desire what seems hard to get. Nonchalant attitude plays into the psychological principle of reactance. Focus on goals to convey drive, purpose, and independence. A compelling character is one who has a clear sense of direction and purpose. When you prioritize your goals and ambitions, you send a clear message of your drive and determination. You're not simply drifting through life waiting for things to happen. No, you're the one who makes things happen. You're the captain of your own ship, steering it towards your chosen destination. But there's more to it than just appearing driven and purposeful. By focusing on your goals, you also demonstrate your independence. You show that you're not reliant on anyone else for your happiness or success. You're a complete person, with or without a relationship. And here's where the concept of scarcity comes in. By making your time and attention precious commodities, you become more desirable. You're not always available, hence you're more valued. After all, we tend to value what's rare, don't we? Demonstrate that your happiness isn't dependent on the relationship. If you found these strategies intriguing, why not give that like button a little tap? It's a small gesture that goes a long way. And if you've got something on your mind, don't hesitate to join the conversation in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. For more deep dives into the fascinating world of human psychology and relationships, hit that subscribe button. Remember, use this knowledge carefully. It's about building something meaningful, not just making someone think about you non-stop.